You're not gonna be happy about this. I left the fucking garage door open. Fuck. Hello, Vera way. Oh shit.
Hey, don't leave that door open anymore.
What's that? No.
Close it when you're on.
Oh, okay. My bad. Yeah. I was in a hurry this morning when I took off, so it won't happen again. All right. Shit, I think I made a man. Hey, sorry about that, man.
Got it?
Hey, yeah. But I could definitely help you shovel this driveway though, real quick. So. Yeah, I was just in a hurry, man. I'll get it done. Be done by noon tomorrow. Whatever. Oh, holy shit. Hey, Grandpa. I think we're gonna need to get Grandma out here. We need more boots on the ground. There's too much snow. You think that shit's funny? You just want to laugh at me? That shit's not funny. What'd you say?
It's hard work.
What's hard work?
This.
You're lucky I just turned around.
Snow and ice.
Lucky I didn't get my camera on close enough. I would just caught you taking a break.
Yeah, I'm taking a break on it.
Yeah. Yep, you're doing it now. See, that's just what you're doing for I turn my camera on.
Yep.
Watch
The
him.
shovel don't do nothing. Just standing there.
Oh.
You teach it, but it don't work.
Whatever. Done now. What? So, hey, Grandpa. We're done. Let's go in and see what Grandma's doing, huh? Oh, come on. I was done.